Comprising of 200 stylish apartments, the finishing touches at the Exchange are now underway as the development looks to fulfill its promise as one of Preston's newest and most premium residential locations. Completions continue to happen. Residents have already started to move in their new homes. The internal fit-out to all floors is now complete, and work on the common area are being finalized, with the gymnasium, stunning roofed garden, and hotel-style concierge starting to come together. All mask climbers have been removed, and the building exteriors reveal the exceptional quality of the facade. The attention to detail sets this development apart from anything else in the city, as Preston continues to be one of the most exciting investment propositions in the Northwest.